So this video is all about urine, using your own urine, your personal urine, to break spells cast upon you by anybody, cast upon you by anybody far or close to you. Yeah, welcome back. So in today's video, like the title says, I'm going to show you how to use urine to break curses or spells cast upon you by anyone. So in case you're new here for the first time, you're so welcome. My name is Pamela. I share spiritual tips and messages only on this channel. You will do your spiritual work yourself with the guidance and also with your faith. You see it working the way it's working for lots of people, just like a miracle. Okay, so I don't do spiritual work, I don't sell spiritual items. Beware of anybody telling you, bring money, I am Pamela, I'll do it for you. I am not the one. They are scammers. May God bless you. Consider subscribing if you love what I share. Also like and share this video. Let's go. So make sure whenever you subscribe, you also hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get to see and come and watch. Urine is a very powerful cleansing method. It helps to get rid of negativity around one. It helps to cleanse, to remove causes, removing anything evil. You can also call it anti-poison in a way that if you must have attracted, or your spirit, your body has attracted negative energies, using urine baths will help to cleanse away so that everywhere will be free for blessings to come in. As you pray, your prayers will be answered. As you do any spiritual work, everything will be moving smoothly. I always say cleansing is always important. Cleansing once in a while is important for everyone. And you using your urine, your early morning urine, is very powerful more than anything. Like, I'm not saying that it's everything. Of course, you have to invite the power of God in it and your faith to see them working just like a magic. Yes, it's so miraculous. So many testimonies from urine cleansing. If you feel that somebody has cast a spell upon you, you suspect somebody casting a spell, whether it's love spell, controlling you. So many people are like that. They want to control you, control everything about you. You see that you are not behaving normal. Though normally, you yourself, you may not be aware that somebody is using spell on you because you are not behaving rightly. Okay, let me put it that way. You are not behaving rightly. You are believing that person. There's nothing that anybody will tell you that you believe that the person is hurting you or trying to control you. You love that person, you believe that person. Control is very bad when it's against your wish. You didn't permit for it. Somebody casting a spell upon you can hinder so many things in your life. It can disorganize your destiny. There are so many things it takes away from a woman or a man. If somebody casts a spell upon a woman or a man, you behave abnormally, everything will be disorganized. To even affect your prayer life because somebody is controlling you using a diabolic way, and it's not good. So that is why I always say, be spiritually strong. Always rise up and pray at midnight. Do spiritual work. Cleanse yourself once in a while. Nobody will ever cast a spell upon you and it will work. There are lots of people that they will be casting, it will not work. They will be wondering, why am I casting a spell and it's not working? Because the other person you are casting it on is highly spiritually protected. So it will not work. That thing that the person knows it in a higher level, is fully protected. In case you are a victim of it, somebody has succeeded in casting a spell upon you, do this and you'll be liberated and you'll be set free from that bondage. And you see that everything will be moving well for you. You'll be going forward non-stop. Things will be moving well for you, of course. In your workplace, you'll be acting normal. If you're a man, you will behave like a man. You will think like a man. So in case you are not sure that somebody cast a spell upon you, or you are feeling that things are not moving well because somebody cast a spell upon you, please try it. Okay, once in a while, urine cleansing is not bad. Use it, not only because you want to break spell, but use it to remove negative energies. As you are removing negative energies, so evil will set free from your life. I discussed in my last video, about 2 videos ago, how urine can break spells. Like if you are somebody that always gather sham every day, you're always using sham to control your daily life, using sham to control people around you. Anytime urine pour upon you, either is your urine or your child's urine, just know that it will nullify that evil, and it's for good, because you are using that sham for wickedness. But I'm just trying to tell you that urine destroys all this, makes the power useless, ineffective. So once in a while, do urine cleansing, add it in your bath water the way I've explained in other videos. How to do so is to fetch your early morning urine. In case you are new here, okay, early morning urine is so powerful, more concentrated. It's not diluted, because this urine has stayed in your body for a long time. When your body was at rest, there's nothing like drinking so much water or eating food. When you're at rest, your bladder has gathered some quantity of urine, which are not in a diluted form. And you using it for spiritual practice is very, very effective. For yourself. For some people, like mad people, if their madness is as a result of what somebody has done to them, they are innocent. Remember, if you are innocent and somebody casts a spell of madness, if urine, especially a child's urine, a baby urine, pour on that mad person, the person will revive. That madness will go out of that person. It's just like that. If that person is innocent, because some mad people, they brought that madness to themselves, maybe because of what evil thing they must have done, and it backfire to them. They want to send evil to somebody and it backfire back. In that way, their healing, it takes by the grace of God. That kind of madness is the madness that will stay forever. No matter the prayer, the deliverance, they will remain, because some of them, their hands are not clean. So if you suspect that somebody is using funny ways, or you are feeling unusual, you are no longer yourself, you are not getting that dreams, the dreams are no longer clear, you are seeing strange things in dream, you are always in dream, somebody will use a rope and be dragging you, that is a sign of bondage, spiritual bondage. Somebody has tied you spiritually. Using all this form of cleansing method, you think that is just a normal thing. It is not useful, it's not working, just because you are doing it yourself. But you don't know that spiritually is really working. It's you that don't want to bring your faith to believe that it will work. Using it will help to remove all this gradually until it sets out of your life. You just pray with this urine as you fetch it in the morning, transfer it into your bathing water. Yes, that morning, use it to have your bath. With prayers, believing God, have faith that it will work, that you'll be set free from every bondage, every captivity. If you do this, once in a while you also do it. Once in a while you do it. Do not use soap, do not use sponge. Believe God that God has done it for you. The key is to keep your ways upright. Do not hurt anybody. Do not harbor somebody's belonging out of greed, out of, oh, if I release it to this person, I will lose. But it's not yours. Release it and set yourself free, so that when you pray, the prayers will be working. May God bless you. So, by the grace of God, this channel has been a blessing to lots of people. All you have to do, if you have not subscribed, kindly do so. Hit the red subscribe button, like and share this video to people, and do not forget to give this video a like. There's a like button, just click it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.